I feel like I'm gonna sneeze. I just got done sneezing, which is why my eyes are kind of red and watery. Anywho, nope, I'm gonna sneeze. Hang on. SARS. Hello, welcome back to my channel. If you are new here or just stopping by, my name is Jennifer. Welcome. I hope you guys decide to stick around and subscribe. I do a giveaway every 100 subscribers, and we are currently on the way to 600 subscribers. Have lots of fun goodies planned for that giveaway. Also, I think this is the first video you get to see my new extensions in. I've actually had them in for like almost 2 weeks, but I've been having some serious issues balancing school, home, work, and YouTube, which sucks. YouTube is like literally, my hair is like super tangly. Anywho, YouTube is like really my only hobby I have anymore, and it sucks that that is what has to get put on the back burner, but just where I am right now in my life, that's really the only thing I can put on the back burner. So I wanted to just listen to my music, probably do a voiceover for today, just to myself back into it a little bit, easy I guess. But today I wanted to show you guys my pretty much everyday kind of grungy makeup look. I've been wearing this every day for like a month almost. Really the only time I alter it is if I'm going to work, and then I just don't wear the eyeliner with it. And today, instead of doing a winged eyeliner, I'm just going to do a more subtle eyeliner. So I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Make sure if you do, give it a thumbs up down below and subscribe. You can also follow me on Instagram. That's linked down below in my down bar. It's always down there with some other videos from my channel I think you might like. And that's about it. Yeah, feel free to leave me a comment down below as well with any future videos you might want to see me upload. I do have a couple of suggestions like logged in my planner that I need to film. I'm gonna try to film one of them later today, but without further ado, let's get into it because I'm actually getting ready to go. That's adorable. I'm actually getting ready to go to a check-off for nursing school. So I'm gonna stop rambling. I'm gonna put my music back on. I use Amazon Music, and I'm currently just listening to my music, my playlist, and it's pretty much just the collection of all the songs and similar songs that I listen to frequently, which awkwardly, my music is a very odd mix of heavy metal, punk rock, and like from my Scene Kid days, mixed with hard rock like classics like Kiss and Def Leppard and AC/DC, but also there's some random pop hits in there. There's TikTok songs in there. Like right now it's playing Cupid's Chokehold by Gym Class Heroes from when I was like in middle school. So my music taste is just as I am. So I hope you guys enjoyed the video. I'm really gonna stop rambling. This is the world's longest intro. Don't mind my goofy headband. Ellie's ran off with all my other ones. Let's do my makeup. Okay. Sorry. Fleetwood Mac came on. You can't not dance and sing to Fleetwood Mac. Anywho, so this is the final look. Like I said, this is kind of like a grungier daily vibe look that I go for. I do normally put on winged eyeliner unless I'm going to work, and then I just do that eyeshadow and I don't do eyeliner. And because I have my check off today, I didn't do wings. I just did a regular little, you know, line. But on the day-to-day when I don't have to go to a check off or a clinical or something like that, I'm just running around running my errands and don't have to work or anything like that, I do a wing. And on occasion I will wear Lolita from KVD, Vegan Beauty now. KVD. Lolita, which is pretty much Give Me Mocha from Wet n Wild, which is what's on my lips, except this one is just a little more pigmented and a little more woo. So I hope you guys enjoyed the video. I hope you had fun dancing and getting ready with me. And like I said, you can leave a thumbs up down below, subscribe to my channel, and you can also comment down below with stuff you want to see in the future, or something you liked in this video, something you didn't like in this video. You go do you in the comment section. I almost always reply to you guys. And with that being said, I will see you all in my next video. Bye.